Hello, little friends! Today we are going to learn how to use the mouse and draw with Tux Paint. Are you ready?
Here's the mouse. Learning how to use a mouse is very important. With the mouse, we can move the pointer on the screen, click on icons, and do so many fun things on the computer. Look, it has 2 buttons. This is the left button. We use this button the most. It helps us to click and choose things on the screen. And this is the right button. When we click it, we can see more choices pop up on the screen. Let's learn how to hold the mouse. Place your hand on the mouse with your thumb on one side. Your pointing finger goes on the left button, and your middle finger goes on the right button. Hold the mouse with one hand and rest your wrist behind it. Let's see how we can use the mouse. Just move it on the table and watch how the pointer moves on the screen. Now, press the left button to pick something. Double-click to open a game or program, and right-click to see more options. In laptops, we have a trackpad, which works like a mouse. It's a flat area below the keyboard. You can move your finger on the trackpad to make the pointer move on the screen. To click, tap gently with one finger. To double-click, tap quickly twice, and to right-click, tap with 2 fingers to see more options.